Gefolly's SL-2000W solar streetlight delivers very bright, cool white illumination, suitable for both residential driveways and larger commercial areas, thanks to its dense array of light-emitting diode beads and high-output design. Its integrated solar panel and large-capacity lithium battery allow dusk-to-dawn operation with extended runtime, so you can rely on it through long nights and overcast spells without worrying about wiring or electricity costs. The wide beam pattern covers a substantial area, making it practical for parking lots, courts, and yards where you want to reduce dark spots and improve overall visibility. Multiple lighting modes, including continuous, motion-responsive, and timed options with adjustable brightness, let you tailor the behavior of the light to different locations and seasons using the included remote control. Installation is straightforward because the fixture is fully wireless and comes with hardware for both wall and pole mounting, which makes it easy to add lighting to spots that are far from existing power lines. Its weather-resistant construction is built to handle year-round exposure outdoors, and the manufacturer backs it with a multi-year support policy that adds peace of mind for long-term use.